And as I stand here before you today, I can honestly tell you I've loved you since the moment I met you. Our relationship is like no other. I fell in love with you before we became friends, before I could even fathom what an amazing woman you are. We've been together for a little over 3 years now as my best friend, my girlfriend, my fiancée, and now finally my wife. Together we have experienced a roller coaster of emotions and adventures, and through it all, you never wavered and you always stood by my side. I am grateful for what you have allowed me to achieve through all your love and support, and I promise to continue to love and support you through our life together. I promise to remind you how gorgeous you are every day and how lucky I am to have you in my life. You do so much for us, and I promise to always be grateful for the life and love that we share. I promise to always make our relationship a priority and to always continue to work on myself to continuously better our relationship. I vow that you will never be alone through any hardship or adventure that you may face, and I will always be by your side through it all and promise to never waver regardless of what stands ahead of us. I vow to appreciate all the funny little moments we share daily and cherish the moments we spend together that no one else could appreciate. I vow to take you as the woman you are now and the woman you've become during our life together. For my love for you will never change. I have loved you from the day I met you, and I will love you for eternity. And I promise in front of all the people gathered here today that when I pass, I will find you in my next life because you complete me. I am everything with you and nothing without you. I call upon the persons present here to witness that I, Justin Lee Stanley White, take you, Brittany Lee Smith, to be my lawful wedded wife. I love you in this life and the next.
Justin, from the moment I met you, everything I thought I knew and wanted in my life and in a partner changed. I always thought that the goal was the guy who came with the nice house and the really nice car. But I never realized until I met you what I truly wanted and needed in a life partner. The fancy things in life that we share are nice, and I'm blessed to never go without anything I want or ever ask from you. But the greatest things that you are the loving acts that you do for me all the time. You're the man that sits in the middle seat on a plane, the man that offers me the best bite of his meal, the man that carries all of the luggage, and the man that knows my order at every restaurant, and the man that never says no to anything I've ever asked for. You're the partner that every girl dreams of growing up. You're smart, charming, funny, and witty. You are so kind to me and my family. You fit into what is now our family from the very moment you all met. You have loved me at my peak, but more importantly, you have loved me at my peak. You have shown up for me always. When anyone else would have opted to leave, you always chose to stay. When we've been full of love and highs, and when we've suffered loss and lows, you've always cared for me first and been the support I needed. You do everything and more than I could ever ask for, and I vow to do the same for you. I vow to always make sure you know that you are loved and appreciated for everything you do. I vow to always be by your side no matter where life might take us. I vow to love you on our happiest and our hardest days, through the lowest of lows and the highest of highs. I vow to make sure that our future children will always know how much their mum loves and supports their dad. And I vow to be your constant in life. I used to wish for the life I now have. And although it may not be exactly what we had planned, I now know that home isn't a place, but rather a person. And you are my home, darling. You are my peace, my happiness, and my home. Loving you is the best thing I've ever done. I call upon the persons present here to witness that I, Brittany Lee Smith, take you, Justin Lee Stanley White, to be my lawful wedded husband. Loving you and being loved by you in this lifetime will never be enough. I love you in this lifetime, the next, and everyone after that.
Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can help falling in love with you, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
And I will be your flower if you will be the bee. And I promise I will always give you the sweetest parts of me. 'Cause you're the tip to my top, the key to my lock, you're my breakfast in the morning, you're my up to my down and the king of my crown, and you're everything I want. You got that sweet, sweet, sweet honey, sugar, and I want it sweet, sweet honey. You got that sweet, sweet honey, sugar, and I want it sweet, sweet, sweet honey. So give it to me.